Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Pandey Jyoti, and this is Jyoti. So this is another B.Ed file, and the topic is educational administration. Again, we are starting with the preface, that means giving the introduction about the topic. I have made one flowchart kind of thing to represent why educational administration is important for scholarship management, dashboard, school management, finance management, timetable management, reports, progress management, etc. Okay, then we will write the educational administration as the heading, and we will define the term and how this word is formed, like educational administration is equal to education plus administration. So we can say administration and education can be defined as educational administration. Okay, so here I have made a box around this thing where it is written: educational philosophy sets the goal, educational psychology explains the principle of teaching, and educational administration deals with the educational practice. So how these three, philosophy, psychology and administration, are interconnected. Okay, then nature of educational administration and points, then importance of educational administration, why it is important. Then I have made a one flow chart to represent the same, where I have mentioned the point like it is important to balance the economy, optimum use of resources, achievement of goals, conservation of resources, etc. Then I have explained these 4 points individually, that how we will achieve the goal, how we will manage the economy, and how we will conserve the resources, and how we are going to utilize the resources that are available. So these are the 4 points which I have explained. Then scope of educational administration, again a flowchart is here, which is showing you that how we are planning it, organizing, budgeting, coordinating, then evaluating and controlling. Then again I have individually explained the topics here, like planning, organizing, coordinating, budgeting, evaluating. Okay, then conclusion, I have mentioned 5 points here, that overall how educational administration is important in equal division of tasks, etc. Last page is bibliography, and this is it. Thanks for watching.